Hello everyone, this is one quick video introduction to the latest version of the DFL-DDP USB 3 data recovery equipment. We have upgraded the hardware to the latest design. So for the latest hardware of the DFL-DDP, it supports 3 hard drives at the same time, 2 SATA hard drives and 1 IDE hard drive. Now, let's enter the latest version of the DFL-DDP software. So, as you can see, it's very easy to use this powerful data recovery equipment. Here you can find it's the latest version 1.503. Now, when you enter the interface, you can find as common firmware solutions. So this is the common commands we may use. We can set as a password to the hard drive. We can unlock the password. The start motor and stop motor are mainly used for the hot swap. Soft reset is mainly used to restore some minor errors during your operations. You just need to click soft reset and it fixes it. So Western Digital, these are the common firmware repair solutions. The button fix for the Western Digital, NHPA remove password, Snowy fix, add Headmap in RAM noder, reset smart show microcode. For the Seagate, wow, you can find a lot of common firmware repair solutions for the Seagate. For Samsung, so these are common firmware failures of the Samsung hard drives. They can be fixed within the DFL-DDP. And Toshiba for the translator problem and the Genest problem you can fix here. And the Hitachi, the translator problem, the sector access problem you can fix here. So this is the common firmware repair part of the DFL-DDP. It's very easy. You see it and you use it. Now let's power on the hard drives. I power on another hard drive. Now, so I can also scan, batch sector scan the hard drive. Okay, it's one Fujitsu hard drive. I can scan it and see. Okay, scan successfully. No bad sectors. Just some snow sector. Click stop. Okay, so I can set up new project. Select the source drive. Next. Okay, here you can find we have another 2 modules for the DFL-DDP. You can use DFL-DDP to extract the files directly, or you can use disk imaging for the hard drive, especially for the 40 hard drives with bad sectors or unstable heads, or some other problems, but it's still detected and get ready within the DFL-DDP. So here I use the disk imaging. Next, I select one target hard drive. I select the SATA one target hard drive. Click finish. So it's very quick to set up the bitmap file. The source disk has a bigger capacity than the target disk. Okay. Here, when users work on the client drives, you must set up one target disk which has bigger capacity than the source drive. Not head map. Here's the selective head image. So users go inside and select the hard drive, Western Samsung, Hitachi, Toshiba, Fujitsu, Seagate. So you can select and for example, it's one. We can check blocks starting the selective head image. It takes some time to set up the head map on this hard drive. So we can click stop and head count 2, and then you can go to the image settings. Here, users can run multiple parse image. Read the basic settings: write blocking, green, resource mode. Read towards, users can read forward, read backward. Sector size, users can select. This one is automatically detected. Sometimes it's bigger physical sector size like 2048. This is for the re-image settings. When you are trying to image the hard drives at the second time or third time or fourth time, you need to tick these settings so the program read only the skipped sectors or bad sectors. It helps to protect the hard drives most. Read modes. Here's the DMA hardware retry, upshell hardware retry, intelligent reading. This one is very great. So to make sure that the program can read the bad sector drives at the highest speed and protect the source drive at the same time. Error handling. So users can set up the retry times. So here users can check. We have a lot of settings to handle the errors during the image. So only if you have set up these parameters, so the image can go very smoothly. Timeout settings. Usually use a default value, or you can change the values according to the health information of the source hard drive. Usually use the default. In image by head, here you need to enable the selective head image. After the head map is set up, then you can go to the image setting, this interface, to enable the selective head image. You can image head 0, you can image head 1, or you can image both of them. Okay, let's take to image the head 0 as example. We can click start. So here you can check the program image the head 0 only. So I can click stop. So let's check the other settings. Image by head, and here's other settings. So you can set. So all these settings are very easy to use. Only actually in most cases you can use the default setting. Each parse you can configure each parse. So it's very easy to use the disk image for the maximal result. Okay, at the same time, now we have combined the disk image and file extraction perfectly. So we have set up the bitmap, we have read a lot of read some sectors. Now we can go to the file extraction directly. See? So we can go to the file extraction directly by this way from the window. By this way, we use the same bitmap and all the sectors which have been read within this image project, it will be bypassed. That means when you are trying to extract the files, the program won't read the read sectors. So it's very helpful and useful in this way. I can double click the partition root, so I can see all the files inside this. I can select, you can click the plus icon or you can double click the folder to open the files inside. Then you can, for example, you can select one file and right click on it. You can save file, and then you can select one parse to save the file. It's very easy. So that's it. You just need to click DFL device to open the files, and then select your wanted files and save them. Right click to save them to anywhere you want. Sometimes when you double click this DFL device, it doesn't list the partitions. You can then right click and scan those partitions. You can use the virtual partitions. You can use file image. You can use partition image. You can image the data only sectors. Scan MFT, not scan information recovered by file types. So the file extraction functions are very powerful too within the DDP, and it's also very easy to use that kind of function. So it's easy. Select your wanted files, recover them. That's it. So this is the DDP latest version. Quick video view. Thank you for watching.